Here we have a brand new 2023 Barletta Cabrio 24-foot QC. It's in matte black. Has docking lights. Long benches in the front. Move around cup holders. There is armrests. One over here. You can also put the cup holder here. Dual captain's chairs. Raised helm for the driver to see over the people in front of them. Rated for 12 people. Cell phone charger. Hertz stereo. Lowrance hook in the dash there. Tilt steering. Pop-up table. Lighted cup holders. Charging station for the co-captain. 2 more benches in the back. Comes with a full cover with clips. No more snaps. Electric bimini top. Ski tow bar. Stainless ladder. This one has a 90 horse Mercury on it. Does have command thrust, gives you a little more power out of the water. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's. We do offer financing.